Hello, my dear students. Today's podcast is about 15th August, which is our Independence Day. But do you know, my dear students, why we celebrate Independence Day? And from whom did we get independence? And how? Today, I am going to tell you all the story of Indian independence. India, which was called Sone Ki Chidiya, was known for its wealth and richness. The people from European country England, who are called as Britishers, visited India and they started setting up their business, which was called East India Company. They started setting up their offices in India. They slowly started to loot or rob the wealth from India. They told Indians that they are here for business, but then slowly they started capturing entire India. They started troubling Indians. They behaved rudely and made many Indians work like servants. They didn't treat them well. In the year 1857, for the first time, an Indian stood against the Britishers. He was none other than Mangal Pandey. When Indians saw that they were being treated as slaves and not treated well, and they wished for freedom, many came forward to revolt against the Britishers, such as Bhagat Singh, Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Chandrasekhar Azad, Veer Savarkar, Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose, and many more. Many kings and queens of India fought against the Britishers when they tried to trouble the people in their kingdom or capture their kingdom. The brave kings and queens who fought against the Britishers were Rani Ki Jhansi, Lakshmi Bai, Kittur Rani Channamma, Ahilya Bai Holkar, and kings such as Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, Maharana Pratap, and many more. Mahatma Gandhi ji also peacefully revolted against the Britishers through Dandi March and Andolans. After the sacrifices of many brave men and women, finally Indians were successful in driving Britishers outside India. In the year 1947, Britishers left India and the country was divided into two countries, India and Pakistan. At last, on 15th of August 1947, the most awaited day was there. India became free from British rule. People were very happy and started celebrating with joy and happiness. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru became the first Prime Minister of independent India. So, my dear students, if you have heard to this podcast, you will realize that India is such a great and fascinating country, and the story of Indian independence is so heartwarming. Today, we are able to breathe in the free India because many freedom fighters have fought for our motherland India. So we must never forget the sacrifices made by them and always be grateful to our motherland India. Today, I want you all to promise that you all will be good citizens of India and make India proud by the work you do. I will meet you in the next podcast with yet another story. Bolo Bharat Mata Ki Jai, Vande Mataram.